Welcome to Steadfast Detailing. So today we've got our Laminar wheel covers and I'm going to show you guys how to get these all prepped and installed. So let's see what we've got here so far. Well, we've got our center caps and we've got our Tesla logos. So these are going to go straight on and these are going to get installed right here. And also, most importantly, we need to do the back first. So with the back, you get these foam sticker inserts, and these foam sticker inserts will be applied all the way around the circumference of the wheel covers, so that way it won't rub up against the actual alloy wheels of the Tesla Model Y, and you won't get any scratching or pitting. Now, behind me, we've actually got all of the Tesla Model Y mods laid out. So we've got the rest of the wheel covers and we've got the mats and spoiler and mud flaps in there. So we're going to install all of those in due time as well. So first thing we have, pretty important here, this is just IPA, alcohol spray. We've got some microfiber towels and we've also got here Sea Quartz Deluxe because we're actually going to ceramic coat these wheel covers as well. Okay. First thing that we actually have to do, we have to alcohol wipe down and prep the surface that's actually going to have the foam inserts stuck onto it. So that's what we're going to do first. Just spray it all down. We want to make sure that it has just nice strong bottom. So that's the first one on there, and it's pretty easy to get the rest of them on. Won't take too much time at all. Circumference. Now we're just going to go pressing down with a bit of pressure all around it to make sure it adheres well. Okay, that's the first one done. So we're going to also now apply the center caps to these. So same thing. Spraying it down with alcohol so that we have a super clean surface to promote the bonding. I'm just realizing now it might be a better idea to apply these center cap stickers once the wheel covers are actually on the car. That way I can ensure that they are all aligned correctly and that, yeah, we don't have any misalignment from the start. So we won't put the stickers on yet. We'll do these on the car. Time to start coating this. Let's do the alcohol spray. So just spraying it down with isopropyl alcohol. So the purpose of using the ceramic coating is just so that we can make sure that this nice satin black, or rather matte black finish is well protected, and then we'll have much easier time when we want to clean the rims. So we've got our applicator pad and we've got our suede cloth. So all we have to do, just start priming. And then start coating it. So you can already see as soon as we apply the coating, the color kind of changes. Okay, so that's pretty much the entire thing coated, and we're just going to give it a quick buff to remove any of the excess, and then we've got to do this 3 more times. So here's our nice finished product, keeping it well protected. And that's pretty much it in terms of applying the foam tape and ceramic coating the laminar wheel covers.